Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. In this class we are going to discuss about the structure of plant cell. Now let us come to the topic structure of plant cell. As we know that all living organisms are made up of cells. So the cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Now look at see the structure of the plant cell. The plant cell, the cell which is present inside the plant, that is known as plant cell. Now look at the structure of plant cell under the electron microscope. We are observing some of the structural aspects. In that structure of the plant cell, the outermost layer which is observed on that all plant cell, that is known as cell wall. Generally, the cell wall protect the cell from bursting or any external damage, and it is a tough layer which is covered the entire plant cell. So this is known as cell wall. Next, below the cell wall, another delicate semi-permeable membrane is present below the cell wall, that is known as plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. Next, inside the plasma membrane, the semi-solid fluid which is present inside the cell, that is known as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm, there are different types of membrane bound structures are observed in this plant cell. Generally, the plant cell is a type of eukaryotic cell. That means the cell have distinct nucleus, that is known as eukaryotic cell. So inside the plant cell, they have clear distinct nucleus is observed inside the cell. Now let us see that nucleus. The nucleus is a double membrane bound structure. In this nucleus have genetic material. In addition to this genetic material, the nucleus are also having some of the important structure, that is known as nucleolus. That is nucleolus. When we are observing that nucleus, the nucleus is surrounded by a membrane, double membrane, that is known as nuclear membrane. Next, the nucleus having DNA and nucleolus. Another important structure present in the nucleus, that is nucleolus. So the presence of nucleus is characteristic feature of this eukaryotic cell, that is plant cell. Next, another important structure which is present in the plant cell, presence of big vacuole. Presence of big vacuole is the characteristic feature of this plant cell. Presence of big vacuole. Generally, when the vacuole is present in that bigger inside the plant cell, so the plant cell nucleus is pushed towards one side of this cell. So it is one of the most important characteristic feature observed in this plant cell, presence of vacuole. Next, in addition to this nucleus and vacuole, some other membrane bound organelles like a network like structures which is present in that is known as endoplasmic reticulum. In this, sometimes the endoplasmic reticulum having ribosomes. The walls of that endoplasmic reticulum are attached to that ribosomes. That ribosomes attached to this endoplasmic reticulum. That type of endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Sometimes the ribosomes are not present on this endoplasmic reticulum, that is known as SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes on the walls of endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, the walls of that rough endoplasmic reticulum, they have ribosomes are attached on the walls of this endoplasmic reticulum, that is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. In that plant cell, both rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum both are present in this cells of this plant. Next, in addition to this endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus are also present in this. This is Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Golgi complex are also present in this plant cell. Next, mitochondria. As we know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are also present inside the cell. These mitochondria are also a double membrane structure. Next, another important characteristic feature observed in this plant cell, they have chloroplast. So the pigments which is responsible for photosynthesis are present in this chloroplast. So presence of chloroplast is the another important characteristic feature observed in this plant cell. Chloroplast are also present inside the plant cell. Next, in addition to these membrane bound structures, some other non-membrane bound structures are also present. In this, some of the ribosomes are also present inside the plant cell. In this, lysosomes, so the lysosomes are also present. Lysosomes having degrading enzymes which degrade the proteins, fats and some other waste material which is enter inside the cell or degraded by these lysosomes. So presence of these lysosomes are also another important characteristic feature of this plant cell. Next, some of the peroxisomes are also observed in this. Peroxisomes are also present in this plant cell. Next, some of the cytoskeletal structures are also present in this plant cell. Cytoskeleton structures are present inside the plant cell. So these are the common characteristic features observed in this plant cell. So most of the features which is present in the plant cell are presence of cell wall. It is one of the most important characteristic feature observed in these cells, plant cells especially. These plant cell wall are also having some of the junctions are also present in that is known as plasmodesmata. Through this plasmodesmata, one cell to another cell, the molecules or material is transferred from one cell to another cell. So this is known as plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata is the structures which connect the one cell to another cell. Through this plasmodesmata, the materials are transferred from one cell to another cell. Next, presence of cell wall is one of the characteristic feature observed in that cell, plant cell especially, and large vacuole is another characteristic feature observed in the plant cell, and presence of chloroplast is another important characteristic feature present in that plant cell. So these are the mostly observing characteristic features, the organelles which is present inside the plant cell. Okay, this is the simple structure of plant cell. If you have any doubts, please comment on in the comment box. If you want more videos from my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.